We are on day 5 of my sourdough starter journey, and look at all that. I'm gonna assume that's hooch, and there's a lot on top, and I'm not sure about it. So I'm just gonna stir it in and see what happens, okay? I think this is a good sign though, because I've heard that hungry sourdoughs have a very thin consistency. So a sourdough starter that has a nice thin consistency is hungry, so it's time to feed. So that's what we're looking at, and we're gonna dump half out. Now I may in fact dump out more than half because this thing has gotten tall, right? So let's just get to dumping. I've got a plastic bag. Let's see, definitely more than that. Okay, that's probably where I want to be, right there. And then we're gonna do a whole cup of flour. I use 2 half cups because my lid is wide enough for that, so here's 1. No way not to make a mess here. Y'all just embrace the mess because you're not gonna not make a mess here. I've got a little less than a whole cup of filtered water, and I've been told it has to be filtered water, so we're just gonna dump some of this water in, and I'm gonna mix it and see what the consistency is like, and then I'll add more if I need it. Oh, it's pretty thick. We're gonna add just a little bit more water. See where we are. Now I watched this girl, Emily, on TikTok, and she had said when she was doing her starter, she would say that in her experience, it was better to be a thicker consistency than a too thin consistency. So that's kind of what I'm going for. And if it's not as thick as I want it, I'll add a little bit more flour. That looks good. I tried to clean down the sides a little bit, and I need to move this back down to right there so I can see if there's any growth. I don't have another jar to put this in, but I am getting some jars today, so I'm excited. So we're gonna cover this up with our paper towel, and we're gonna put that over top, put it in a warm place, and then again, come back tomorrow. I don't think it's ready to feed twice a day. I don't know, I'm not an expert, but there she is, and come back and join me for day 6. Okay, that's about it.